Right, I think it's time for a room tour. So this is an apartment block type thing. This is what you would call Bophut. Mae Nam is that way, Bophut is that way. You can see the mountains up there. It's only just officially a mountain. So there's a main road up there, the main ring road that goes round, and then the beach is just through those palm trees, basically. So I think there's about 20 rooms here. So this is a slightly smaller room. That's 850 baht. This is 1,000 baht. This is Koh Samui, Thailand. So this is what we're getting for 1,000 baht, which is around about £25 a night. So 820 baht would be £20 a night. So 1,000 baht. We've got a double bed. Not massive super king size double beds, just queen size double beds. Chair and tables. I bought a kettle because there wasn't one in here. So me and Paul went to the store and bought a kettle. But there is a fridge in the room. Wardrobes, the usual. I should get that out really, because even though I always do a final check, you know, it'll get forgotten. So yeah, normal kind of wardrobe. So this is like what you would call sort of somewhat budget, obviously. But again, you see, there's no way ever you're getting something like this in the UK. Well, you're not getting anything for £25 in the UK, let alone, you know, oh yeah. But yeah, this is what we're looking at. It's absolutely totally fine and functional. So, and then we've got our somewhat of a balcony, but it's good enough to have a cigarette. And it's on the second floor, which is kind of ideal strategically. When I say ideal strategically, I guess I should explain. Ground floor you should avoid because of security. People can just, you know, climb in your window basically at ground height, so you should avoid the ground floor. Floor 1 and floor 2 are okay, but once you start going to like a third floor, especially in either developing countries or somewhere like Koh Samui, a small island that doesn't have the infrastructure, because you'll find there aren't any fire engines on Koh Samui where the ladders reach beyond the second floor. So if you want to be a prepper and you want to survive, little things like where I said sitting on the back of the plane when you choose your seats, it's also about if you're on the second floor, it's sort of strategically optimal from a security point of view, because you're not ground level. People can just walk, you know, climb in your window, and equally you're not too high that you can't be reached with a typical ladder on a fire engine. So yeah, this is what we get for 1,000 baht a night, which is, you know, pretty reasonable. And the location's all right. I mean, you know, Mae Nam's a cool place. The beach is nice. Bophut's sort of famous in its restaurants and things, seafood particularly. So yeah, room tour, Koh Samui, second leg. I've been here 2 nights and I'm checking out today. So I'm going to be going into more of a house villa type thing next. Somewhere that Paul's got that he can hook me up with, so that's cool. So yeah, this is it. Super happy, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Reject the herd, prepare the pack. Click the like button, it's as easy as that. Check the description for the links you need. Follow my socials, subscribe to my feed. From a single lone woman to a family of 5. Learn from Sigma Prepper and see how you can thrive. We understand the risks that tomorrow could bring. We adapt and survive, it's a wolf pack thing. Reject the herd, prepare the pack. Click the like button, it's as easy as that. Check the description for the links you need. Follow my socials, subscribe to my feed.